I love London broil. This is my favorite steak. I used to ask for it for my birthday every year when I was a kid. Flank steak is great too, but it's always way more expensive. You can get London broil for $3.70 a pound right now quite often. I think the best way to cook it is sous vide. You don't have to worry about timing or temperature. Let's get started. Let's cook a London broil. This is a great piece of meat, and it's sold a lot of times now inexpensive. This one here had a price per pound of $4.50, but it's on sale a lot for $3.77. All I did was take this thing, rub it with a little bit of olive oil, sprinkle it with lemon pepper, granulated garlic, just a little light sprinkle of meat tenderizer, and some salt, and vac seal it in this bag. We got one seal, now let's do another. All right, there it is. It's a good seal across the top. Now we're going to sous vide that. I like these 6-liter sous vide containers. It's just about right to do one piece of meat for the family. All right, I like to do 131. That's into the pathogen lethality region, so the meat's cooked and everything's killed. And I'll let that go. The longer you let that go, the more tender this meat's going to be done. It's probably going to be done in about 30 to 40 minutes, but I'll let that go for several hours, and then I'll reverse sear it at the end. By going at 130, 131 degrees, it gives me the chance to sear that on a cast iron pan without overcooking the center. I'll still be nice and medium rare. And we'll put our little lid on so it doesn't evaporate. All right, there it is, taking it out of the sous vide. It's been 131 degrees for 3 hours, 4 hours, I guess. And now we're going to reverse sear it in a cast iron pan that's heating up. All right, we put a little bit of avocado oil on the pan. It's hot. Here we go. Taking the meat out and put it right in. Let that reverse sear for about 30 seconds to a minute on each side. All right, now we're just going to make a little bit of a sauce with butter, olive oil, garlic. That's about enough. I'll go like that. And all we're going to do is deglaze the pan with the meat juices and this butter and the olive oil. All right, this is just a little rice that I'm making for it. It's already cooked rice. We just melt a little bit of butter on it, a little bit of turmeric, seasoned salt, and just to give it a little bit of color, buttered rice. All right, that's a good reverse sear on that side. Let's flip it. That was about a minute and a half. Okay, that's good. We'll take that off, let it rest on the cutting board briefly, deglaze the pan. We'll start our deglaze with a little Pinot wine. Alcohol gets boiled off. These are the juices from the meat sous vide. Good. A little bit of garlic salt, a little bit of lemon pepper, maybe a 1/4 teaspoon each, and the butter. Scrape everything up off the bottom of the pan so it deglazes good, gets the meat flavors. All right, I want a little bit more, so just a little bit of cornstarch and water. Thicken it up. I'll add more water as necessary. All right, there's that rice with butter. Now we're just going to take this and slice it on the diagonal. And see how it looks. That's a good doneness. Medium rare. Okay, that looks good. All right, we'll get everybody in here to eat. And there it is, London broil. Hey, I'd sure appreciate a thumbs up and a like, and please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.